Hey, what's up guys, Willington here and welcome to another sound battle where we let speakers speak for themselves. In the battlefield, today we have the iRoar Go going up against the Charge 3. As usual, the speakers are 6 feet away from the sound recorder and they are playing at 80% volume. Now, during this test, I have Roar on the Go turned on, so put your headphones on and let's hear the speakers speak.
Hold on, girl, now wait just a minute. I've got something to say, you should hear it. Oh, I'm happy to make time for your feelings, but you have to admit I already do. Let's just break it down to you and me uptown, dancing all around till the disco ball pops. But I have to be me, and everyone can see your anger is misplaced. And I'm gonna tell you, don't hate me 'cause I get attention. Don't turn me into what I'm not. I have to be me 24/7, and I ain't never gonna stop. No, 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 no. No, 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 no.
Okay, so the speakers have spoken, my ears have heard. This is my judgment. When I said the Go, I'm actually referring to these speakers, so take note. With the Go on its default sound profile, which means with the Roar and the EQ features turned off, there is so little difference between the two speakers. The Go has slightly better highs and the Charge 3 has slightly better lows, which makes them pretty much draw. But if you turn the Roar on the Go, then the Charge 3 starts trailing a little bit. The Go has an open, bright sound compared to the Charge 3. And the fact that you're able to change to different sound settings depending on your different sound preferences makes this speaker more accommodating to all sorts of listeners. So in my opinion, sound-wise, I think the Go takes the lead here. What do you think? I would really appreciate a comment down below and a like if you like the video. Subscribe to my channel if you're not a subscriber, it really helps out a lot. Thanks for watching this one, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.